back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, one. Welcome back. Today, we are receiving more news coming out from the crypto community talking about federal regulation on the crypto market. Just recently, two well-known federal agencies such as the SEC and the CFTC are beefing up their crypto regulation and enforcement within the crypto market. As of now, the SEC just ordered a crypto startup to register their ICO token, or they just get hit with a $31 million fine from SEC regulator here. So this crypto startup Boom just promote its ICO token, and as a result, Gary Gensler say, "Hey, I think your token is considered to be as a security, and as a result, you must register your ICO token to the SEC, or else we are gonna hit you with a $31 million in fine." This is just a beginning of crypto regulation, and we're gonna continue to see more federal oversight within the crypto market, and it's very essential here. We have seen many startup crypto project has really defraud investor billion and billion of dollars. We can refer to the Squid coin. We can talk about the Ethereum mask, which cost investors billion and billion of dollars. Right now, we are just seeing the end result of the federal government are stepping up, and in order to regulate the crypto market to the best of their ability, and the main goal is to serve the federal government in interest and also to protect crypto investor. That is what we are seeing. So right now, crypto startup Bloom Protocol has been ordered by the SEC to register its token or face a $31 million in fine. And the regulator just issued a cease and desist order to the company on Tuesday, accusing of offering unregistered security. This is what we are talking about with regulation coming in, and this is just the beginning of the SEC and the CFTC are stepping up their regulation within the crypto market. Okay, folks, let's move forward. The SEC are now probing Coinbase again for staking asset classification stable coin product. So they did offer staking for Ethereum for institutional investor. And as a result, the SEC say, hey, we are gonna investigate your staking program. How did that work? This is what we are gonna talk. And with asset classification and stablecoin product, right now, federal government are stepping up their oversight within the crypto market, and we have seen how the crypto market has teared down many American investors and had dragged down many American people into financial pitfalls, such as Associate Voyager caused financial pitfall for these investors because they are not regulated to the full standard as our traditional financial infrastructure. That's why the SEC, CFTC are stepping up their regulation. This is just the beginning of protecting crypto investors. That is what we are seeing. Coinbase say it had been probed by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for its staking program, which let users earn reward by holding some cryptocurrency, according to a filing this week. And there's just more regulation all coming and more probing into Coinbase and other crypto exchanges that operate in the United States here. Okay, folks, just new guidelines just came out yesterday. U.S. SEC just proposed private fund disclosure on leverage and crypto fund. This is by telling investor, hey, this is how much money I have leveraged on the crypto market. This is how much money I have invested in the crypto market. Which type of asset did I invest in, and how much money did I invest in for that particular asset. Right now, the SEC require hedge funds, private fund disclosure to disclose their financial statement, especially about cryptocurrency, since it is very volatile. We have known and have seen how crypto market operate. For Bitcoin, one day it could jump up 5%, the other day it could crash 10%. It act very abnormal within the 24/7-hour period here. This is just the beginning of regulation. SEC are proposing new rule. This is by protecting investor by giving investors some knowledge on how much fund is being allocated to certain asset within the custody of certain private institution. That is what we are seeing. Let's look more. We are now talking about the SEC and the CFTC. Just want to enforce this rule by requiring hedge funds to disclose their financial statement. This is just the beginning of regulation, folks. So hedge funds don't like it, but however, the SEC and the CFTC are stepping up their regulation and oversight within the crypto market. This is just the beginning of protecting the American people and also to protect the crypto investor nationwide. Not but last least, it's also to protect in the interest of the federal government to crack down organized crime and many etc. that we have seen. Let's move forward. SBI Group just report investigating the CFTC approval for over-the-counter derivative trading in U.S. Really, they just got approval from the CFTC to operate a crypto over-the-counter. That is what we are seeing. Some great news coming out. With more adoption of cryptocurrency, we are going to continue to see growth in acceptance, and more innovation will end up within the good stuff here. So a lot of stuff are coming out. Regulation is good right now. With more regulation are coming in the future, as we have expected and continue to expect, because the CFTC and the SEC are going to continue to beef up their regulation on the crypto market. Okay, folks, last but not least, let's look from Thailand. Thailand plans to give the central bank more power to regulate digital assets. This can include their new pilot programs such as the central bank digital currency and crypto assets such as NFT. We have the metaverse, we have the blockchain technology, and etc. So right now, we are going to continue to see regulation, and with more regulation coming into crypto industry, we are going to continue to see more transparency, more trust, more acceptance. This is just the end result of what everyone has been looking forward. Okay, folks, in the end of what are my thoughts with regulation? As of now, the regulation are healthy to the crypto market. We cannot reject the notion and the benefit of enforcing federal guidelines in the crypto market, because without adopting such procedure and protection, crypto investors are losing that valuable right that should have been invested in them. Within our traditional financial infrastructure, for each brokerage account, they are covered under the SPIC program. But however, within the crypto market, and if you have a crypto account, you are not protected under any federal agency. So that's why we are seeing adoption, growth, and more federal regulation all come into hand and will protect crypto investors from such financial pitfall. That is what we are seeing. And then I hope everyone enjoyed my video. And if you do, click on that subscribe button. And also don't click on that like button. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.